Anchorage downtown. Alright, so this is the first fishing trip to Chitina. We are just heading from Anchorage. मलाई अन्डा कति छ लिएछ भन्नु है So it's a beautiful view in the background right here. It's a nice view. Amazing view. Alright, all the fishing gear right here. It's a dumpling, Nepali momo. Canada जाने रोड पुलिस जाने बाटो यही होता है Alright, it's camping. Alright, camping in the wood off of O'Brien Creek. Fishing trip to Chitina. Tonight we are here at O'Brien, off of O'Brien Creek Road. So camping over here. There's cooking going on right now. So windy. The weather is very windy. The time is already midnight, 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. But still it's you can see the daylight. So this is how in Alaska, even in the midnight, there is a daylight, no dark. That's why it's called like a midnight sun place. So we are camping here, and the time is already midnight. It's not dark yet. I feel like it's 9 p.m. or like evening time, but it's already midnight. It's a dinner time.
नलाए पनि हुने रे नलाइकन त्यतिकै
Dipnetting at Chitina. So windy. They said it's been windy like this for the whole week. It's been about a week. It's been windy like this. It's hard to breathe and it's blowing so hard. So windy. The wind is terrible here. Everybody fishing. The run was a little hot earlier. Now it's slowing down. People catching before. Right now it's slow down. It's a nice day, but so windy and gusty. The wind is blowing so hard and all those dust is all over. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Nice, nice, nice. Fish on. Second fish. This is second fish. Fish on. Nice. Wow. Tough fish. Ora? Ball छैन होला Double, double. Double, double. Good job. The weather is so terrible. The wind is blowing so hard. This wind is making the life miserable here, and it's so hard. You need a sunglass, you need a mask, you need to cover up all your face. It's blowing all the sand on your face. The wind is constantly, they said the wind is constantly blowing like this about a week. It's been like this. The weather is terrible here. So we're trying to leave early. We're planning to stay here till tomorrow, but because of the weather, you know, we're not gonna stay here. We're gonna leave tonight. Alright, so we got 7 fish so far. We tried maybe 4 or 5 hours. The run was not really great. They said it was really nice yesterday, but the weather is horrible because